Do you hate the sound of your alarm like it's a personal attack? You're not alone. Waking up early doesn't have to feel like torture. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to wake up feeling like a champ, not a zombie. Let's face it, starting your day with energy sets the tone for everything that follows. But for most of us, dragging ourselves out of bed is a struggle. Why should you care about mastering the art of waking up early? Because studies show that early risers tend to be more productive, mentally sharp, and healthier. Imagine having extra time in your day. Time for your goals, for your health, or even just for a peaceful cup of coffee before chaos begins. In this video, I'm going to share practical strategies, tricks, and mindset shifts to help you rise and shine without feeling like death. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. Let's get real for a second. Why do so many of us fail to wake up early? Let's be honest. Most of us act like bedtime is just a vibe. We aim for 10 p.m., but then we indulge into one thing to another, and before we know it, it's past midnight. We don't give ourselves a fixed cutoff, so our brains never learn when it's actually time to shut down. And when bedtime keeps drifting all over the place, waking up early feels like someone unplugged our soul. We're all addicted to that dopamine hit, right? Checking social media, scrolling through TikTok, or binge watching one more episode gives us that quick reward, but it also keeps our brains buzzing long after we should be winding down. The problem? That dopamine surge makes it way harder to fall asleep. Instead of being ready to rest, our minds are racing, and we end up sacrificing quality sleep just for a few extra moments of digital pleasure. Waking up early is not about willpower. It is about outsmarting your brain when it is at its dumbest, right after waking up. Let's face it, if your bedroom feels more like a neon nightclub than a sanctuary, no wonder you're struggling to sleep. Bright lights, loud noises, or a room that's too hot or too cold make it impossible for your brain to relax. And don't even get me started on the phone glow. It's like a tiny spotlight reminding you that you're not asleep yet. A chaotic sleep environment? It's like trying to run a marathon with one shoe on. Sleep just isn't happening. Let's be real. If the only thing waiting for you in the morning is a cup of coffee and a pile of emails, it's hard to get excited about waking up early. Without a real reason or goal, early mornings feel like a chore, not a chance to start the day with purpose. Whether it's working on a passion project, hitting the gym, or having some quiet time, having something to look forward to makes waking up at dawn way more appealing. Now let's talk about some proven strategies that will surely help us in having a good sleep and waking up early. Here's a game changer, the 60-minute dopamine shutdown. About an hour before bed, ditch the phone, TV, and anything that spikes your dopamine. That means no scrolling, no crazy YouTube rabbit holes, and definitely no intense video games. Giving your brain that hour to chill and stop chasing digital rewards helps it ease into sleep mode, so when your head hits the pillow, you're not still racing. Trust me, this little habit can make a huge difference in how you wake up. No drama, no overthinking. Before bed, swap the productivity grind for a bit of escapism. Pick up a light, fictional book. Nothing too intense or emotionally draining. Avoid goal-setting sessions, heavy self-reflection, or listening to breakup songs. No horror movies that'll leave you wide-eyed either. Choose something fun and relaxing that distracts your mind and preps it for a peaceful night's sleep, leaving the drama for another day. Lighting can help you sleep better. Here's a simple trick. Dim the lights before bed. Blue light, like the one from your phone or overhead lights, messes with your melatonin levels, the hormone that helps you sleep. So, about an hour before bed, swap those harsh, bright lights for something softer and warmer. Think yellow or amber lighting. It's like setting up a cozy cave. This small change signals to your brain that it's time to wind down, making it easier to drift into a peaceful sleep without any interruptions. Trust me, your melatonin will thank you. Sleep boosting hacks. Here's a simple one. Try some herbal sleep support. Lemon balm tea is a natural relaxant that can calm your mind and help you unwind before bed. It's like a cozy bedtime hug in a cup. But here's the catch. Stay hydrated, but not too hydrated. Drinking a ton of water right before bed might have you running to the bathroom at 3 a.m. So sip throughout the day and keep it light in the evening for uninterrupted, restful sleep. Simple, right? Herbal sleep support such as lemon balm tea, stay hydrated but not overloaded so you do not pee at 3 a.m. Winning the first 5 minutes of waking up. The first 5 minutes after your alarm goes off can make or break your entire day. Why? Because when you wake up, your brain's prefrontal cortex is still sleeping, and your emotional brain and the limbic system is in full control. That means the urge to stay in bed and hit snooze is way stronger. But if you master those first few moments, you'll set yourself up for a productive, energized, focused day. Here's how. 1. Use Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. When your alarm goes off, don't give yourself time to overthink. Count down from 3, 2, 1, and then just stand up. No excuses. No 5 more minutes. This simple action cuts off the mental battle and gets your body into motion before your brain can talk you out of it. It's like giving your brain a quick reset. Boom, you're up. 2. Cold water activation. Now, to wake up your body and your brain, splash your face with cold water, or better yet, jump in a cold shower for 30 seconds. I know, it's a little shocking, but in the best way possible. The cold water jolts your nervous system, forcing your body into alert mode, turning off those sleepy signals. It's like slapping the snooze button on your tiredness. Trust me, your body will thank you later. 3. Light before sight. Your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, thrives on natural light. So as soon as you wake up, expose your eyes to bright white light or sunlight if you can. This kills off any lingering melatonin, the sleep hormone, and signals to your brain it's time to start the day. If it's still dark outside, use a daylight lamp. It's like hitting the reset button on your internal clock. The brighter, the better. The next 15-minute power rituals. Since you are up now, the next 15 minutes should be all about setting the right energy and focus to ensure you're on the path to success. Here are the 3 key rituals for this power-packed morning block. Add movement. Once you've stood up, take a minute to stretch or shake off the sleep. It doesn't need to be a full workout, just a quick stretch of your arms, neck, and legs. This helps get your blood flowing and wakes up your muscles. It's like telling your body, hey, we're not sleeping anymore, it's go time. Plus, it helps release some of that morning stiffness and gets you in the right mindset to tackle the day. Build a positive mindset. Now that you've got your body moving, it's time to align your mind. For the next 5 minutes, focus on building a positive, empowering mindset for the day. Start by reading a powerful quote that resonates with you. Something like, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." Walt Disney. Or pick up a few pages from an inspiring book. If you're more into introspection, grab your journal and ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be today? Write down 1 or 2 traits you want to embody, whether it's being more patient, focused, or creative. This simple practice primes your mind to start the day with clarity and intention. Prioritize your tasks for the day now. Get clear on what you want to accomplish. In the next 5 minutes, review your top priority tasks for the day. What are the 3 things that absolutely need to get done? Don't overload yourself with a million tasks. Focus on quality over quantity. Say it out loud as an affirmation to reinforce your commitment. Today, I will focus on task 1, task 2, and task 3. These are my priorities and I will accomplish them. Turn it into a habit that lasts. Alright, if you want waking up early to go from a struggle to a permanent habit, it's time to make it automatic. Here's how. Habit loop. Anchoring. Every time you wake up early, celebrate it. Seriously, when that alarm rings and you get up, take a moment to tell yourself, I'm a morning champion. Nothing can hold me back. I'm stronger than my snooze button. I'm already winning the day. Let's go. Sounds cheesy? Maybe, but it works. By celebrating your early wake up, you're linking it with a rush of dopamine, the feel-good hormone. This rewires your brain to associate waking up early with a positive reward, making it easier to repeat the behavior. Over time, you'll start waking up early because your brain craves that little victory. Keep the momentum going. Next, we need to lock in consistency. Grab a calendar and mark each day you wake up early. Your only job? Keep that streak alive. Don't let it slip. Miss a day? No big deal. You're human, but don't let it slide for 3 months. That's where most people fall off. Winners don't quit after a slip-up. They get back up and keep the streak going. That's how habits are built for the long haul. Waking up early isn't just about getting up at dawn. It's about owning your mornings, taking control of your life, and building a habit that sets you up for success every single day. Now it's your turn. Don't let comfort keep you in bed. Start today, build that streak, and become the person who doesn't just wake up early but thrives because of it. Let's do this. Your future self is waiting.